What's up? How you doing? It's Isaiah Jackson here, and in this video we're basically going to replicate or basically create a really good looking web form in getresponse. You know, in Aweber this is incredibly easy, but in getresponse they like to complicate things a little bit for some reason. Don't know why. Anyways, what we're going to do is replicate this web form right here on this page, right? This web form right here. We're not going to replicate this text above, but the stuff below here, button and everything. Okay, first things first, we have to get an image of this particular button, which is pretty easy to do. Okay, you're gonna simply just view the page source of this particular web page, and as we can see here, the button right there, right? Then you're just gonna just drag and drop that to your desktop. I already have one here. Okay, it's called unknown. I don't know why I named it unknown, but it's called unknown. All right. Now, the good stuff, getting inside of getresponse, and we're going to create this web form, okay? So keep watching, watch this. We're going to go ahead and go to create a web form, right? And right now we're going to get rid of the header, the footer, the name, the privacy, and the powered by. We're going to also say, make this, let's say 300 pixels, right? So it stretches out a little bit. We're going to go ahead and edit the body. The body is transparent on this thing. So we're going to go say transparent, right? We got that knocked out. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this email thing. We're going to go ahead and go to input. Click on edit. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to say, what it say? Enter your email address. Enter your email address. And getresponse listened to me when I told him to add this feature here. You know, I was on the phone with getresponse and I told him, hey, add this feature, and I'm glad they did finally. I'm gonna go ahead and hit apply. So basically, when you click inside the box, it's gonna remove that text. Next thing we need to do is add this image, this little button here. Pretty easy to do. Okay, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and click on the image. We're gonna go ahead and center this. Okay, and then here you have this link, which shouldn't even be here. All right, and then what you're going to do is simply grab the URL. I'm assuming you should upload your little button. I have mine uploaded already right here. Okay, so basically we're going to take the link, since I know where it's at. I'm going to add that in there. Help unknown.png. Okay, and it's going to be added there. And let's get rid of the no repeat, right? And get rid of this, make this transparent. Okay, hold on, I messed that up. It's supposed to be a slash. There we go. We also need to get rid of the text inside of the button itself, so get rid of that text there. Now you'd probably think, what happened to the button? I'll show you real quick what happened to the button, because we have to edit the width and the height of the button. So let's do 300. It's probably a little bit too big, which I'm sure it is, by 100, and see what happens. Button appears just fine. Look at that, everything's working, right? And that's pretty much it. Now go ahead and go back to the inputs for a second. Right, we're gonna go ahead and save the web form. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go to publish. I'm just gonna go ahead and getresponse will host this web form. And you see here, there is the web form, replicated, ready to rock and roll. All I gotta do is put in my email address and then click the button here. Pretty easy. Now if you wanted to make this bigger, that's also pretty easy to do. We'll go back to design, and we're gonna go ahead and go to input, make it bigger, you know, hit save, refresh, and there you go. See that? Works just fine. Alright, so that'll be it for this video. My name is Isaiah Jackson. Hope this helps you out, and I'll talk to you soon.